Now, let's talk about baseline grid. If grid system is made for balance and structure, same goes as well for baseline grid, but this is more concerned on the text and elements on the website placed vertically. So what I mean is, if I'm going to turn on my baseline grid and zoom in, as you can see, the text right here is properly aligned and indent and has even line height according to the baseline grid. So for this 16 pt text, you can see that the line height for this is 13 pt. So if we will adjust this and make it 24, still it's on its grid, but we will make it 30 pt to have more breathing and it makes more readable. So this is the use of baseline grid. We're going to align the elements vertically according to its grid. So as you can see, for this heading and this button, they have the same and aligned on the same grid. So this is baseline grid 4. On hand, how to do this? We can easily create this by creating new file, 6 pixel by 6 pixel, and zoom in. Make sure that the background is turned off. And use the pencil tool. Turn this to 1 pixel and choose the color red. Go to edit and make this a pattern. Call this baseline grid 6 pixel. You can close it now. And on our layer here, let's create a new layer, for example. Fill that using paint bucket tool, and from foreground, choose pattern. Fill it. And there you have it. You have a baseline grid. Make sure you lock it and turn it off when it's not needed. So that's it for baseline grid.